Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're looking at the function f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And we're asked to prove that the average of the slope of the tangent lines to the parabola at the endpoints of any interval pq equals the slope of the tangent line at the midpoint. So the slope of the tangent line is the value of the derivative, so let's just get the form of the derivative first. The derivative of this first term, we have a power function, so you bring out the coefficient first, multiply it by the exponent, and your new exponent is the old one, minus 1. Here we have x to the first power, so the derivative of this term is just going to be the coefficient b, plus the derivative of the constant c. Any constant, the derivative is going to be 0. So we get 2a times x to the 2 minus 1 is x to the first power, which is just x, plus b plus 0 is just plus b. We're saying that the average of the slope, the average of the value of the derivative on interval PQ equals the value of the derivative at the midpoint. So let's just calculate both of those and we'll see that they're the same. So firstly, what is the midpoint of this interval PQ? It's just P plus Q over 2. Getting that, we get f prime of P plus Q over 2 equals 2a times plugging in P plus Q over 2 for x. We get that plus b, which is going to be equal to, if these cancel out, AP distributing plus AQ plus b. Now we want to find that the average of the slopes, the tangent lines, so the average of the derivatives on this interval. So we want to find the derivative at P, the derivative at Q, and we want to find the average of that. So f prime of P equals 2a plugging in P plus b. For Q, similar thing, plugging in Q for x. Now the average of this is going to be f prime of P plus f prime of Q over 2. We know what these both are, which can be 2ap plus b plus 2aq plus b over 2. This is equal to 4, these are not like terms. The P, we have AP and AQ, so we cannot combine those. But we have 2AP plus 2AQ plus, these are like terms, B plus B is 2 divided by 2. Now we can divide each of these, actually let's just write up here, because this is going to be our final thing, equals, we can divide each of these by 2. So 2AP divided by 2 is going to be AP, plus 2AQ divided by Q is going to be, divided by 2 is going to be AQ, plus 2B over 2 is B. And we can see that the average equals AP plus AQ plus B, which is equal to the derivative at the midpoint. So therefore we've shown that they're equal. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.